Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year to every one of you. This is my first video I'm making this new year. And guys, this is a bump date. We are 33 weeks pregnant, and like we've started the big countdown to the big 10-week countdown. I can't wait. Like, I'm counting down. Most of the time my first baby came when I was 37 weeks and some days, and my second baby came at 39 weeks and some days. I'm keeping fingers crossed that this baby comes around the 38-week mark. So that means I have about 5 weeks left. Fingers crossed. Even talking takes my breath away, literally. So, but we're almost done. Like, I'm super duper happy. I'm so grateful. It's getting harder and harder to remember to vlog, and I know once baby comes now it will even be much more harder, but I'll see what I can do and all that. I haven't done my shopping yet. I haven't packed my bags. I still have quite some stuff to do, so I'll try and carry you guys when I'm doing that along with me. Hello.
Hello.
Want me to go, girl? I'll be ready to go there for
Say hello, guys.
if you want me to take my time.
Hi guys. Sorry, let me move this back. I hope you guys can see me properly. Pardon me, I'm looking a mess, so you can see. Today we are 35 weeks pregnant, and I had to run to the market yesterday to get essentials for baby and for me, just because I don't want to be caught unawares. And I've done some other things. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna be washing the bed. I'm gonna be washing this. My older kids used it and I soaked some of the clothes. I'll be washing them out later. I'm gonna wash this, clean this out, and dry it as well. These are the last batch of things that have to be cleaned, and these are some of the things that we got from the market yesterday. So we're going to be unboxing them together. Guys, I'm so sorry about this. I really have to shoot this video, and my inverter is, there's no light. My inverter is acting up. I really have to shoot this video now, so let's go. Just in case, I will try and brighten this up so you can see, but in case in the course of filming the light comes brighter, just understand that the inverter is fluctuating. So we'll start by this. This is Savlon. Here we have our blue seal. This is our under pad. I just got one. I hope I don't need more, but in case I do, I would have to get from the hospital. This is Macintosh, I think. Macintosh. We have our cotton wool. This is hypo bleach for washing clothes stains or anything. We were asked to buy one of this. I just realized in the list I actually got two, so I'll keep one in the house and give them one at the hospital. We were introduced to this baby clean is for cleaning the bottles. I was looking for Milton and was told this is better, so I'm gonna use it and leave a review. I will let you guys know what I genuinely think about this. We know what this is. This is my pad, lady safe pad. I think I got about 6, so that I don't have to bother about getting any more again. So these are all of the lady care products. A pack of shaving stick, I was asked to get 2 tissue. I got 1. These are newborn diapers, size 2 with 105 pieces. I think I got this for 10,000 plus. I can't really remember. 10,000 and some change. So I got 2 for starters. And everything inside here is wipes. I got about 10 packs of wipes, so that it lasts me for a while before I have to get again. These are angel wipes. I like them. I've used them for all my kids because they're very moist and wet. They don't really dry out. Then someone told me about these Kiss Kids. I want to try it out as well. So I got 8 pieces of angel and 2 pieces of Kiss Kids. That's 10. Let's unwrap this. This is baby lotion, Sebamed. I'm trying it out because I've heard very good reviews, and this is the biggest I bought. So this is methylated spirit. This is oil. I normally use this oil for the baby's hair. Silver bed, always. I always have this for cold. Then we're using this. This is the bath wash. I prefer using washes, that's liquid soap, to using tablet soap for obvious reasons. This is the washing soap for washing baby's clothes. It's detergent, pure love, baby love, or whatever. I always use it for my kids' clothes, and it's very good. It doesn't wash. Disposable pants for me. These are, I think, Tommy Tippy. They are breast pads, so I will not have to bother for a long time. I got this in size large. They're breast pads. I chose this set of towels for the baby. They are quite soft and they soak water as well, so I chose this. My nursing bras, I got 2. I have others, but I just decided to add to them. So I got this powder, cup and spoon. This is for first feed in the hospital. Pegs, foam, baby foam for bathing the baby. Another peg. This is spoon. I don't even know what this is, but this is plate and spoon. Though it's for later though, feeding the baby and all that. I really apologize for that. My inverter is acting up. I just got this to add to what I have. These are Muslim clothes. I just picked out 2. It was actually sold in a pack of 6, but I liked this 2 and I asked for. I got these socks to add to some of the other socks I have. Socks as well. And then I really love this. And this as well. Just in case it's a girl. These are hand mittens. And last but not the least, I think I was charged for these, and these were free. She dashed me these, if I'm not mistaken. So guys, these are everything that I got: wipes, pampers, towel, bras, and these are the basics I got. Thank you for doing this unboxing with me. I'll definitely show you guys when I pack my hospital bag. All right, bye.